But here's where it gets controversial. The Pixel 10 series, launched with Android 16 QPR1, is now facing a September 2025 security patch update, sparking debates over its timing and implications. Some owners are already seeing a 70 megabyte update labeled BD3A.250721.001.B7, which marks the September 5, 2025 security patch, while the main update, BD3A.250721.01, is the August 5, 2025 release. This update comes with Android 16 QPR1 and the full Material 3 Expressive redesign, which many users are excited about. However, the delay between the June 1, 2025 Google Play update and the September 2025 patch raises questions about whether this is a strategic move or a missed opportunity. Not everyone is getting the update. Some users still await the latest factory and OTA images, which haven't been officially released yet. The factory image page revealed last week lists codenames like Frankel for the Pixel 10, Blazer for the Pro, and Mustang for the Pro XL, hinting at a thematic evolution of the Pixel line. Meanwhile, Google has introduced new features. Pixel screenshots can now read aloud articles. The Pixel Recorder is undergoing a Material 3 Expressive redesign to simplify tasks, and the Pixel Weather app is adding native widgets and Material 3 tweaks. However, critics argue that the delay could disrupt user experience, while supporters see it as a necessary step for security. Do you think the delay was justified? And will the update ultimately improve performance or just delay updates? The Pixel 10's future remains unclear, but one thing is certain: the debate over its release timeline continues.